Hello everyone. So error and measurement is a very important topic for JEE Mains. In last 5 years, we have found more than 150 questions. Starting with all the important formulas, error is true value minus measured value. They can be of two types, random error and systematic error. So systematic error is the error because of machinery fault and all, whereas random error is the error because of unknown reasons when we go for reading in the lab and we get different experimental readings. So R1, R2, R3, Rn, some of them by n is said to be my mean value or the average value, and error in observation is nothing but you take the first reading and subtract with the average value. So that's how we'll get the absolute error in the first reading. Sum of all such error by n is called the mean absolute error. So a reading is given as R average plus minus mean absolute error. They can be relative error also, there can be questions on percentage error also, which is given as with the formula. Now there's something called propagation or combination of errors. So whenever we get an equation, it can be given in the form of addition, subtraction, or it can be given in the form of multiplication or division. Now addition subtraction function whenever it's given, we'll find like this absolute mean error by the mean value into 100 is the percentage error. In a subtraction one, we'll be having a minus b only, remaining will be same. This is for maximum error, guys. Similarly, for multiplication, we can use either differentiation rule or we can go with this formula. Again, these all should be small values, and for power thing, the power will come down there. And in the coming video, we're gonna see examples on the same. Thank you so much.